Ito ang aming CCTV. Ito ang office. Ito si Rahman Tigas Buto. Sige.
Mukha mo.
Ito si Ilonggo. Ilonggo!
Videos.
Ito boy. No, just checking my if it's clear na. Clear?
Same. You clear the mukha.
This one is Rambuto.
This one I can't Richard Alatu.
Shada. This one see.
This one.
This one malibog. This one Raman.
Malibog. I can't Richard.
Raman malibog. See? Chocolate powder na ginagamit. Cadbury.
And Richard girlfriend bata. No, look like Gurang. Pangit also.
Unggoy. Ito ang aming freezer ang laman.
Muffins. Alatul eat Richard. Always eat every day one. Also cakes. Also gatas. See?
Gatas drinking.
Gatas. Today gatas drink Richard and motor Tumas motor.
Sandwich. Dito ini-stack yan. Ice machine, ha? Ice machine.
Ice put Richard Poet.
Always karban. Mushkila. Raman checking if it's he can eat those sandwiches. See? He's checking if it's expired already. See?
Richard always eat spoil.
This is
Spoil already. Then Richard eat. Then
closing ship. Orange machine. Grill?
And
Grill.
Richard bata.
Microwave. See? Alatul. Checking. Hungry. Raman hungry. Yeah, dito kami nagpa-punch ng card. Ayan, then that internet access. Ang aming tea. Earl Grey. English breakfast.
You like video? Why?
No, just checking is clear.
I know you make video. Don't make video.
No, this is not. I will delete this now. Straight to machine. Mainit yan. See? Timer. Sega Predo. Ayun, nandun katapat natin. Salamat. Choo-choo. Real Decal. Magkaitan. Ito ang stockroom namin na magulo. Ayan. Diyan naka-stock. Ito yung Mocha Italia. Shoot fruit. Fruit shoot. Fruit shoot. Fruto. See? Oh, God. Nord water ang sineserve naming mineral. Lapit na ako ngayon sa comfort room dito sa family section. Ayan, closing shift. Pinatay ko ng ilaw. Yan. Dito madalas nagsisiya ang mga Batangas. Daming istakan yan. Papatayin ko na yung ilaw. Lalaki. Ayan. Yan yung aming yung newborn. May camera kasi. Kaya hindi pwedeng maglaan sa gitna. Ayan. Ito ang aming family section. Family section. Family section. Closing shift ako ngayon. Kaya ito wala masyadong tao. Every Thursday and Friday madalas maraming tao. Family section. Yan. Entrance. Family entrance. Dito sila paakyat papunta sa family section. Yan. Ayan yung katapat namin. Hindi pa nagbubukas yan. Tagal-tagal na yan. Candy. Okay. Yan. May restaurant sa harap namin. Meron din. Ilikori. Yan. Papasok na. Welcome to Costa Family Section. Ito yung control ng aircon. Papatayin ko na. Ching! Ching! 2 AM kami nagko-close. Pero mga 1:45 nag-start kami. Pero as much as possible, mas maaga, mas maganda. Diba? Ayan, may mga tanim kaming halaman. Ayan. Diyan namamalagi ang mga pokpok. Pokpok na Saudi. Ayan, tapos na po ang palabas. Cakes binababa ito pag closing shift papalitan. Okay. Yan. Yan. Dito ako nag-order take. Dati may POS, ngayon wala na. Tanggal na dahil nasira.